so please leave us the song. Ayan, so kailangan ko lahat ng mga adults kakanta din, no? So ready na kids? Isang pa kuya, pakistar na lang ha? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Ayan, pero parang sad naman yung song natin. Pero parang mas maganda. So kaya natin nag-clap ko so yung rhythm yung mas mabilis. Isa pa, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Okay na? Ayan, baby. Come, samahan ni Mami at saka ni Daddy, no? Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Go, baby! Ayan, ang galing naman nilang palakpakan naman natin sila, okay? Ayan, so picture muna tayo. Okay, so hindi na siya nagkakasipag-blow, hindi na siya nag-get, hindi natin maririnig yung birthday wish ni Mami at saka ni Daddy. So,